asleep. You can see all the grass is all flat. Pine cones fall from trees and they have seeds, and then birds eat the seeds, and then they poop the seeds.
And then a new tree.
And then a new tree grows.
That's good for hiking. A knife and some toilet paper and a lamp because it might be getting dark out. It might lead in a cave and you're going to the bathroom and you need some toilet paper. You need some protection with a knife.
Spray is very not good for you, and you have to try to spray in their eyes or the nose so they go away, and make sure that they run away and they don't like you, and make sure that they never ever come back.
And it's very dangerous.
It's very important not to litter your garbage because the earth will turn gray.
What else will happen?
And you guys won't have anything to eat because the whole earth will be covered in garbage. The Bristol Mountains.
And those are the Rocky.
This sage is antiseptic, and it's good for my people, and it smells really good. And also, it's a very good grower. It smells really good.
Game trail, and animals made it, and they walked down the river all the way and up the mountain, and they make hike trails for us. It's really cool, and it's good exercise for our pets. So
this is a piece of elk bone. It's really hard, and it looks like a bone, and it's cracked. And it looks like a muscle.
What's it smell like?
It smells like elk.
Other holes.
about the poo, and it's all sticking together, like really sticking. So, and that's how I noticed, like that.
How old is it?
I don't know.
You gotta taste it to see how old it is.
Gross.
This lives in there, and maybe if we stick a stick in it, maybe we'll.
Also, it's a gopher hole.
Stop, Oliver!
It's a gopher hole too.
No, Oliver!
I think it's a little bit small for a gopher hole.
This is 5 days
It
old.
is old. It's really old, and it's deer poo. You don't know what kind of deer poo it is because it's old.
Yeah, and it's boy poo, but it's just really dry.
I think I could cut it. That's like a good flower, like it's fluffy, but I don't know what kind of flower it is. It's pretty. Okay.
Oh, I feel that. Oh, that is fluffy.
This is
girls.
know what kind of deer poo this is? It's girl deer poo.
Yes, it is. It's
It's
girl
kind
deer poo that's really like pebbles.